Hello everybody, look at these beautiful baskets. Let's make it. Cut a plastic bottle and paste double-sided tape on it. Now cover it using fruit foam net. Now we are going to paste it like this. After that we are going to paste foam net like this and make the handle of the basket. Now we are going to make beautiful flowers. Make small pieces and cut it like this and paste around the basket, and look, it is ready. You can put flowers inside it. Let's make these cute little pineapples using fruit foam net. We are rolling an orange foam net here and tie it from its both ends using a rubber band, or you can also use a thread. Now make a ball like this. After that we are going to make the crown of the pineapple. Cut small pieces using green foam net and paste all of them like this, and then put it on the top of the pineapple. Look at this beautiful lotus flower. Let's make it using fruit foam net. Make small pieces of the foam net. We are going to make the petals of the flower. Paste both of them together using double-sided tape. Now paste all the petals on this circle using double-sided tape like this. And look, it is ready. Then cut a small strip of foam net and we are going to roll it like this. Paste it at the center. Now make its leaves by folding this green craft paper. And look, your lotus flower is ready. Let's make these beautiful sunflowers using foam net. First we are making a frame like this and paste double-sided tape in a circular form. Now paste this foam net on it, and we are going to make leaves and this crown using clay. We are putting all the leaves on it, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.